Hey guys, welcome back. So today, another kind of sketchy pre-market day. Wasn't really looking too good, and we're about 15 minutes into the market open. I gotta go pack a little bit more and then run to the train station where I'm going back to Berlin. It's a 7-hour train ride from South Germany, so I gotta get going. But overall, I really can't complain. I was able to walk away with, $500-$600 profit today, just really, really quickly getting some trading in and then being like, all right, time to go. And luckily today it's not that good, so I don't have so much FOMO, so that's really good. But I'm excited for Thursday, Friday, back in Berlin, back in my office to get a little bit more trading in. Hopefully the market allows for that, or the small cap market right now, because as we said Monday, right now it's a bit earnings season, and that usually means small caps are overshadowed a little bit. So this is almost the perfect time to be, or to have to travel during the day. In a second, go to the charts. I'll show you guys the tickers I traded, and then you'll also see me trying to trade CLOV a few times. There was a few times I was buying near the lows and I was able to take some profits on those pop backs back to the upside. I'm really, really bullish in this area on CLOV. I already have around a $12,000 or $13,000 position on CLOV, and with my day trading account, I do kind of buy it every time it sells off a little bit more. So that's kind of my swing trade at the moment. All right, guys, let's get into the charts, and then next time you see me, we'll be in Berlin with the bull behind me. I gotta say, I will miss it here. It was super, super nice time. If anyone knows this area, Fussen, it's famous for this castle, Schloss Neuschwanstein. And overall, it's just a super, super cute and cozy area. All right, guys, really quickly here, this is the day trading recap for the day. We are up $580 on the day. Not a bad way to end it, for the fact that, today was pretty slow pre-market, and right now at the market open, we're seeing a lot of kind of nasty moves where we're getting nice pops to the upside, but then no resolution and then quick sell off. So it was a little tough trading today. GRVI in my watch list, this one was popping up a little bit late here, had a nice 6 million float, 63 million market cap, and it was gapping up around 50%. This was everything I was looking for. The only thing, the catalyst, quarterly results and increased guidance, it's not like my favorite catalyst, so I was kind of cautious on that one. They did have a nice 300% increase in revenue in fourth quarter 2022 as opposed to fourth quarter 2022. So when I saw this ticker popping up here, I was like, okay, well, let's try to get aggressive on this one, because it does have that big resistance at around 7.3. So I think we do have a little bit more room to run to the upside. So that's why I traded this front side move here quite aggressively, traded this breakout. This was a small winner. And then I really edged into this pullback, but there were so many sellers here that actually ended up closing on this one as well. It did pull back one more time and then ripped around 9%, which, this could have been the home run trade of the day. But ever since that, this ticker was flushing and it was just getting nasty. And yeah, I could have traded this into the open, but like I said, I was packing a little bit, and it's just, my mind wasn't really there. Pre-market was pretty nasty. I just felt like, oh man, I was just gonna be bummed if I start giving back profits now. So I kind of wrapped it up. And that's pretty much how most things went today. I mean, BT, another ticker that popped up quite quickly here. Software company, they had a catalyst, but it was pretty of a weak catalyst. Just there was a chat, and then, but it is it is crypto playing right now. Crypto has been really rallying, and it's one of the largest U.S. mining firms, crypto mining firms. So this ticker on the way to the upside, I was like, I'll give it a few stabs. But if you look here on the 4-hour at the bottom right, you can see big time resistance at around 8. So I wasn't really trying to stick around too long in this area. Kind of got aggressive on this pullback, but that was more or less it. And at the open, I don't know, this had a little bit of a morning panic here around 3% and then spiked up. I feel like this would have been a little bit hard to trade. Yeah, you could say there's definitely some predictable support in this area, but usually I'd be looking for a little bit bigger of a sell-off before I jump into a morning panic. So I don't know, it wasn't really my move. INFI, which just pretty much was a massive bottom bounce, I don't know, also had a little bit of a morning panic, ran up, and then fell off a cliff again. So just overall a little bit choppy. I don't know, I have no FOMO missing anything today, so I'm pretty happy on that. And it's just not really a classic ticker that I would be going for in terms of price action and kind of lack of on a clear front side. Not to mention, it's not necessarily a gap up, it's more of just a big time bottom bounce. So yeah, nothing really too crazy there. I did go ahead and trade CLOV once here. I kind of stumbled over myself. This is right around the time I was getting ready to maybe call it. There was a sell-off here, and then I just accumulated into the sell-off. I was actually, thinking, okay, well, I'll probably hold this because I think there's a good chance we're going to see a little bit of a spike here into the morning, a little bit of a morning rally, and I want to sell around 8.2. Actually ended up would have been a phenomenal idea if I just held a little bit longer. But things like this happen a lot when I'm on the road, because I'm always like, half my brain is trading and half my brain is like, okay, well, I should probably be getting ready to go or something like that. So once I didn't see resolution on CLOV, I closed this one. And you have to remember as well, this is a swing trade in my other account, and I usually don't like day trading stocks that I'm swing trading. So in my mind, I'm like already very allocated on CLOV, with a positioner at, I think my entry was around 8.5 or 8.6. So I'm very allocated in CLOV right now. So adding a bunch more position isn't something I feel super comfortable in. But anytime this ticker dips below 8, I start buying it. And actually on yesterday, so yesterday we had like an $800 red day, but I actually ended up reducing that to about a $600 red day, $630 red day here, because at the end of the day, I was buying CLOV a little bit. A lot of these moves were just shakeouts and scratches, but then I walked away with a nice little bit of a profit here. This was a fairly large position size, so that was a big reason behind the bigger profit. But yeah, CLOV, I feel like anything under $8 is just a really, really good buy opportunity. That's what I've been saying over and over again. So that helped me reduce my losses from yesterday. So overall, green week so far. But just kind of teetering right on the edge. It could have easily been a red week so far, and I feel like Thursday and Friday, hopefully we get some good action. Otherwise, I'm going to keep playing it fairly cautious, and hope that in first week August we start getting a little bit more activity. Although August is like dead summer month, and historically it can be a little bit slow. But with the lockdowns, I know last year August was a very hot month because of the corona lockdown. So maybe this year we're going to see something a little bit similar. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. Anyway, guys, that's everything for this video. Drop a like if you enjoy the content. It's the easiest way to support the channel. And if you're totally new, consider subscribing. We'd love to see you in the comment section. We'd love to see you in the Discord. And like always, guys, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao, ciao.